I'm so excited to receive the K-Beauty PR package, and let's go through what all I have received. I have received a total of 29 products and I'm so excited to receive it. This box enables me to do my entire face, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today and show you the products. I'm starting with the swatches of the Melodrama matte lipstick, and the first shade that comes in is Teaser. That's a gorgeous pink with a deep undertone and look lovely on fair and deeper skin tones as well. And this shade is called Backstage. That's a beautiful peachy pink, more on the deeper side, and look lovely on fair and deeper complexions as well. The next product I'm showing you is the Eye Stylist Liquid Eyeliner. It's enriched with chamomile and eucalyptus extract, and we have 3 shades in this: the Haute Violet, Chic Emerald and Black Canvas. And now I'm showing you the matte action lip pencils, and the shade is called Romance. A beautiful nude with a peach undertone. The shade is called High Impact. I absolutely love it. It's a warm pink with a brown undertone, and I think I'm going to use it a lot. The shade that I'm showing you is now, it's called Extra. Absolutely love it. What a beautiful rosy pink. And I'm so happy to receive these because these were the 3 colors that I did not have in my kit. Absolutely love all of them. They glide like a dream and are extremely long lasting. What I'm showing you now is the UnderKover color correcting stick in shade Orange. And what I'm absolutely excited about is the ChiselStar contour stick. And this one's called the Caramel Focus. It's got a nice grey undertone and it will give you an amazing chisel. What you see right now is their Cold Star Kajal, and it's called shade Spade, and they claim that it is long lasting up to 24 hours and smudge proof. That's pretty black, but I definitely need to do a wear test. I have heard good reviews about it, but most kajals don't stay on my eye, so definitely waiting to try this out. Right now is the MATTEinee Lip Crayon, and the shade is Melodrama. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite colors. I love shades like this, those warm brown pinks that are so good for every day. It's called Autograph, and it's a pinkish red. Works perfectly for women who do not like to wear a very bright red lipstick. And this lipstick is called Entourage, a nice bright pink with a blue undertone. And if you love bright pink lipsticks, this would look wonderful on you. And this is the color correcting primer in shade Peach. Showing you the concealers now, and this is shade 120p Light, and as you can see, it clearly has a peach undertone. Shade 150N Medium has a perfect neutral undertone. I think this will be a very highly used color for Indian complexions. Shade 175Y, it's called Tan, a beautiful color with a yellow undertone for deeper complexions. Great for deeper skin tones. I'm so happy to see Indian brands launch colors for all the complexions. And that's shade 115p Light. 135N Medium. Shade 175N Deep. And that's the Illuminating Highlighter in shade Honey Glaze. What a beautiful, gorgeous gold is that. And this shade is in Copper Shine. It has a rose gold feel to it. It's going to be beautiful for deeper skin tones. The K-Beauty Matte Blush in shade Soft Nude. What a beautiful brownie pink. Perfect for all those people who do not like a very bright color blush. And this is shade Mild Berry. I was expecting it to be a lot more deeper, but it's actually more lighter, and this would be better for fairer complexions. So these are the 3 shades they sent me. This is shade Banana. I've already reviewed it on my YouTube channel. This is a great color for Indian complexion, particularly medium to wheatish complexion. The shade they sent is shade Latte. Let me just spread the colors out for you to show you what they look like. The 3rd shade is called Illuminating Gold, and what it is an illuminating shimmer in loose form. And if you can see, no, I would not use it like a powder, but I would kind of dust it, particularly on my collarbones and everything, just to add a beautiful shimmer. You can also use it as a highlighter. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the swatches of this PR package that I received from K-Beauty. I am definitely going to do a full face of K-Beauty products. However, I thought the video is going to be too long, so I'm going to stop this one right here. But do stay tuned for my full look in the coming week. This is Chandni Singh signing off. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Take care.